Hey everyone, Gil here at Camp Patton Family Compound. Got a little update on the indoor garden for you here. Oh wow, while I'm here, I might as well measure that. That's getting tall. Okay, so this tomato plant here now, put down inside the pot, not on the floor. Okay, this is at 51 inches here. And I got more blossoms opening up, so I'm going to have to where'd it go? There it is. Take my Q-tip and just go ahead and start rubbing on the different pistils here and moving the pollen around on different flowers here as they've opened up. Move some back up over into that flower there. So I got a few more over here that just opened up too. Carrying pollen around. Alrighty. So that's what's going on right now. We got about 18 tomatoes that are set in there. Some of them are really small, like, oops, get over here, like this one right there. If I can get the camera up here on it, there we go. If I can get it, there's that little tomato there. And then I got another one forming up above there. And another one right back up over here. Right there's a tomato there. I got a bunch of little ones now that are forming up there, and the bigger ones. But let me pull the camera loose here. Hang on, it's going to jostle a lot as I get it off the stand. Okay, let's see if I can get this down in here. Oh, it's getting nice and red. It's getting there. That's the first one. And I got a bunch of other tomatoes up and around it there, and up there. A whole bunch of tomatoes back in there. So I think I counted 18 tomatoes. I'm not sure, I have to double check it, but yeah, it's doing good there. The cantaloupe and the green tray are all doing good. The cantaloupe is in the red tray. The cucumbers are in the green tray. Got a cucumber down there, and I got 2 more cucumbers down over here in the little red pots next to the lettuce. And actually the lettuce looks like I need to pick some more lettuce off of it and have another salad today. Alrighty, so, oh, and I do have blossoms over here on this one here. I've done those. I'm not sure if any of those are set. We'll find out. But I also got the fan here blowing on it to give everything a gentle breeze, so they're wiggling around so they strengthen up their stems and stuff. And just like to remind everybody, if you don't have a garden, plant a garden. If you're in an apartment, hey, I'm growing this stuff indoors, and look how lovely that stuff looks. Oh man. So if I can do it here, you can do it in an apartment. And if you don't believe me, check with Kaylin Strain over on her channel. And there's a couple other ones, apartment ones that are doing it, setting stuff up in apartments. And they're showing people how to grow food in apartments. All right, oh, there's another one. Oh, just spotted another one right there. Okay, so tomatoes are coming out. I did check with, I did get some information from Joe at Garden State Gardener. He recommended that this fall, if this plant reaches the end of its thing, was to get an indeterminate dwarf plant, tomato plant. Hannah's Dream or something like that? It's a red tomato. It's indeterminate, and it produces, trying to remember now, 6 to 14 ounce tomatoes. So, which are probably bigger than these Romas. And they're made for sandwiches and stuff like that. So that's what I'm going to try to get hold of some of those and grow some of those this winter in here. And he said those do good in 5-gallon or 3.5-gallon buckets. So we'll see how things go. This morning I went to Lowe's and I got some more pieces here to add another one of these arms out on the side here. As you can see, I got some of the grow lights hanging vertically now, so it throws light on the sides as well as the top. These two were the two that were down over the carrots in the bottom here. But the carrots are getting big enough that these other lights are taking care of it, plus light from everything else here. So anyways, I got 2 of them hanging up right now. I may add a 3rd one here as soon as my daughter gets done with the one I loaned her. And I also have 2 3-footers I can use around the smaller tomato as well. Since yesterday, when I lowered the shop light down here, the rainbow chard and the 2 basil picked up a little bit better. The cucumber there is looking better as well. And that tomato's getting redder and redder. Another day or 2 and it'll be ready. And I found about 4 more little tomatoes here. And another one down there. And there's a couple other little ones back up in here and around. Got to hunt for them, but they're real small. But there are more tomatoes coming out every day. So this is going to be nice to have fresh tomatoes, especially indoors here. It's not going to get any overspray from the fields about a quarter mile away if the wind's blowing. It's not going to blow any of the dust or the other crop dusting stuff over this way here. So these are going to stay nice and fresh. These are looking good over here too. So probably Friday morning I'm going to have to plant get those onions out there and get those planted, and the other onions as well. Alrighty, so that's a quick update here on what's going on. Oh man, I just love that nice dark green color there. Alrighty, everyone remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe, don't do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps and plant a garden. You can plant one indoors, and here's proof. I got stuff growing like wildfire here. Alrighty, see you around.